Johannesburg, South Africans under Operation Dugela have launched a door-to-door manhunt for illegal Zimbabweans. Video footage that has gone viral on the internet shows Zimbabweans being chased from vending stalls while others are riding roofs, trying to run away from the marauding South African mob, which is being accompanied by police officers and Home Affairs officials. The mob belongs to the group number Put South Africa First. On New Year's Eve, South Africa effectively ended a decade-long moratorium that allowed about 200,000 Zimbabweans to live and work in the country through issuing the Zimbabwean Exemption Permit (ZEP) that was renewable every 4 years. The decision, although decent, according to some critics, since it gave Zimbabweans a 12-month grace period that ends in December this year for them to apply for different kinds of visas to stay or face deportation, had faced resistance. A court challenge launched by Simba Chitando, a Zimbabwean lawyer based in South Africa, was at the center of what the embassy saw as a hostile approach.